and welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Sophie, and my workshop is called Asking the Right Questions, Checking Meaning and Elicitation in the Classroom. During the first part of this workshop, we'll talk about checking meaning, what it is and what it's used for, and we will explore concept checking questions, the infamous CCQs. We'll talk about what happens when our CCQs don't work and when they go wrong. We'll talk about how we can write effective CCQs, and we will also talk about a range of questions we can use to really check our students have understood what we have just taught them. This applies to teaching vocabulary, grammar, and teaching functional language. During the second part of the workshop, we'll talk about elicitation in the classroom and why it's such a fundamental aspect of the communicative classroom. We will talk about what happens when our students are maybe a bit shy and stay quiet, and I will share tips and techniques to help you make your students feel comfortable to share information whenever you're eliciting in the classroom. We will also talk about how this is beneficial and how this can really help us develop classroom interaction in our practice. So I really hope you can join us for this workshop, and I look forward to meeting you.